today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can log out other devices that have access to your Google account. The first thing to do is to open a Chrome browser and open a new tab. You navigate your mouse to your Google account and click on it. After clicking on your Google account, this is what you're going to see. Then you select Manage Google Account. Over here in your Google account, navigate your mouse to Security and scroll down. This is where you can see the devices that have logged into your Google account. You select Manage All Devices. When you select Manage All Devices, you get to see all the devices that have access to your Google account. Over here, I have my MacBook and then the iPhone, and there's a Windows computer that I have no idea about, so I had to log it out. So in order to log out a device, you just select the device, select Sign Out, and then you select Sign Out from here, and you are good to go. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I'll respond to them.